Tama ba, Mark? Kasi your belief affects your life. Tama ba? Your belief in God affects your principles in life. Same with dating. No? Your belief in life affects, your belief in God affects your life. Tama ba yon? And this belief should be established in good. Kasi maraming belief ngayon is not established in goodness of God. Halimbawa na lang, si Hitler or si Stalin, alam niyo naman yung history, di ba? Napaka-sincere ng belief ni Hitler. At saka, halimbawa, sabihin na din natin yung Islamic belief, yung self-bombing ba yun? They sincerely believe. Naririnig nyo? They sincerely believe. But they are against. Diba? Generally speaking, lahat ng tao may faith. Lahat ng tao may belief. Pero saan iyon nakasandal? Saan iyon nakasandi? So, we believe that God represents, that the marriage is a representation of God and the union of God to man. Okay? It is said in Isaiah 54, verse 5, Jeremiah 3, verse 1 to 4, and also to Hosea 2, 9 to 20. Kung nailista nyo yon, kung hindi, isasend ko sa inyo. You can read it later, no? Medyo mahaba yung verses. Pero sabi nga doon, kaya ito sinet apart, kaya yung marriage ay ibinukod ng Diyos. Kasi nais ng Diyos na yung marriage ng tao makita ng nasa paligid na ganito nais ng Diyos na mahalin ng tao. Ano yung sinabi niyo kanina? Unconditional.
Mapapapagod na!
Diba?
Mapapapagod na!
Tulad ng church, nais na si God ay namatay para sa church. Diba? Christ died for the church because of unconditional love. Ano yung definition ng love? Unconditional commitment towards
seeking the highest good of an imperfect person po.
Yan. Diba? Seeking the highest good, all for the glory of God. That's the definition of real love. No? It is unconditional commitment towards imperfect people, seeking their highest good. Lagi yung tatandaan niya na all for the glory of God. This is Mark. If you love daily unconditionally, it's not also for you. It is all for the glory of God. Same with you, lady. If you love Mark unconditionally, it's not for you. Although it will be beneficial for you. And it's not only for Mark, although it will be beneficial for Mark and for the kids also. But above all, seeing the big picture, is all for the glory of God. Di ba? Tama ba? Lalo na madaming belief ngayon na may naniniwala din sa marriage ngayon. Hindi lang ito commitment ng lalaki at babae. Commitment na ito ng lalaki sa lalaki at babae sa
same-sex
Di ba? Nakita niyo yung dinibreak na belief ng Christianity. So,
inaalaw na po ngayon, inaalaw.
They have faith in marriage.
Yan na.
Hindi naman.
Ano nakakahalata ako kung property mo?
So, we should be
Ay, kasi ako po nagluluto ako talaga. Ako po talaga tagaluto sa amin. So, sa bagay na yun, wala siyang problema kasi hindi naman po sa nagbubuhat ng bangko, masarap naman po ako magluto. Kaya tinuturuan ko siya. Kasi sabi po sa amin dun sa family planning na parang ganito rin premarital counseling, kailangan daw, hindi lang babae ang sanay sa gawaing bahay, kailangan pati ang lalaki. Para nagkakatulungan. Kaya sabi ko, nung nagluto nga po ng itlog kasama yung shell. Prito lang kayo may shell. Sabi ko, practice ka na. Para ka ako, pwedeng tulungan mo ako sa pagluluto. Pag halimbawa, hindi okay pakiramdam ko, ganon, or minsan alternate, ganun. Pero syempre, alam ko naman
So,
po
yung
yung
ano?
road ko na ano.
Yan. That, kung may Bible kayo or diba? And the two shall become one. Okay? So, yung two, it consists of one and one. Okay? Ibig sabihin, whole, integer, hindi 1/4, hindi 3/4, hindi 4/4, one whole integer. Okay? Oo. Yan, 100%. Sabi niya, hindi 50-50. At napakahirap nun, ano, Lady Mark? Napakahirap nun. Sabi mo nga, independent ka, Lady. And si Mark is a giver, no? Kung ano lang yung sinabi mo. Pero you are to lead with a loving way. And Lady, you are to submit to anything that you do. Different role, pero both, sabi mo nga, it will work out. No? Both of you are highly favored by the Lord. Pero in a different work. What can you add on that?
Hindi na talaga sa mga lalaki ang pagiging loving, kaya ito yung talaga tulungan bigad eh. It's not an option, kundi it's talagang
Yan yan sa akin, communication. Like we're treating the Lord, di ba? As a father, so how, or paano natin makikilala talaga ng gusto si Lord kung di tayo nag-uusap sa Kanya, kaya hindi character ni God, di ba? Si patient pala si God, loving pala, gracious pala. Kung hindi ako nag-spend time to communicate with Him to prayer or siguro reading His Word, probably hindi ko siya makilala talaga ng gusto. Yan din.